Alright guys, sorry about the live stream. We had terrible reception. I had no idea. It looked good from where I was sitting. But I want to show you guys real quick that we're almost done with the Prelude. Putting in the final touches. Alibias. Sí. Take a look at that nice suspension in there. Beautiful. Ground control coilovers with some KYB AGX shocks. With the Mishimoto radiator, topping it off with 100% coolant right there. Got the battery mounted yesterday. New hoses. Remember I replaced this 2 days ago? This is what fixed the problem of not starting. It's all good now. Got my boy Gio right here working on the car from G Motorsports. This is the old radiator. It was leaking up here. Crappy radiator. Basically brand new. Piece of crap. This is that custom car I wanted to show you guys. This is Gio Civic. If you take a look at that awesome turbo intake exhaust there. Beefy. He does a lot of custom work here. He has turbos everywhere. A blow-off valve right there. Take a look. He's got a crankshaft just sitting there, hanging out. No big deal. Can't wait to drive this today. I'm so excited. Got new suspension. We got the radiator installed. Motor mounts have been installed. Thank goodness, I really needed it. Let me show you guys. There it is, brand new motor mount. And new suspension. This is a custom work I was talking about. He takes these cores, he welds on his own end tanks, and he custom builds it for Civics, for Accords, for Preludes, for Type Rs. So I'm thinking he's gonna make a custom radiator for my Type R. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna have him do that. He does intercoolers as well. He made this himself. That's pretty good quality welds if you ask me. This is welding setup. That pretty much wraps it up. This is just a quick video of me working on the car with Gio at G Motorsports over here. That's my man right there again. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. This is nice and short. I wanted to show you guys what's going on today. And look out for a full video coming out soon. Thanks guys, I'll catch you next time. Peace out.